Got another package.
From
England.
England. Oh, moly.
I said in my Floyd Rose video that I had another package coming, and I've had it for a while, but I just
Stingy with the videos.
stingy with the videos. So I've been needing one of these for a long time, but they're so damn expensive that I never bought one. But I finally broke down and bought one, and it was all right. All right price, pretty good. So let's see what's in here, shall we?
Oh, a piece of paper.
Piece of paper. Yeah, I need my glasses. Hang on a second. Get my Steve Vai glasses. £23.42. Right?
23.42.
Yeah, pounds.
Yes.
That's how much it costs.
Sure.
All right. From Vanson Guitar Parts.
Oh. So it's not a spot of tea?
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
Alrighty. So what's inside this package?
Well, it's not poop from Sharon Osbourne, that's for one thing. Ooh. Shiny things.
Can you guess what that could go to?
Ooh. Open it.
Usually these things are like $100
Open it.
if you buy the real thing, and I can't afford that. I just
Don't pop up a bubble wrap. Come on. Say it mixed up. Crickets.
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 Alrighty.
Ta-da!
Saddle.
Sugar.
A roller saddle too.
Ooh.
And there's, I know, what was that big name that makes roller saddles? They also make like Floyd Rose stuff too. I don't remember. If you remember who I'm thinking of,
Is it Duncan? No.
no.
I don't know.
If you remember, if you know
Leave a comment.
who I'm thinking of, I think it starts with an S. The company. So what is this going to go on? Most of you probably already guessed if you watched my What's in the Case videos. And hopefully I won't need to use these, but I probably will. Hopefully I can just pop it on and it'll work. it is going on. This.
Can you see it?
I can't really see it. Help you out, bro. So, just put this on here, see if the thing actually fits on here. Oh, look at that. Boom. Perfect. Perfect.
I can't wait to hear this guitar. Oh,
I don't know who this is made by. Just got something on the... Let me set this down. BM003. It doesn't actually say who it's made by. But let me get the original one out. I think it's in here. No, it's not. Okay, pause. Alright, I lost it, but I found it. I didn't find it, she found it.
Aw.
This is the original one.
We found it.
And what happened is when I was going to intonate it, the screw head broke off. And then I lost the saddle, so I just said, the hell with it, I'll just get a new one. And this one is, actually it is heavier than this one, but it probably should be. This one was made in Germany. I don't know, did Gibson, all you Gibson people, did Gibson get their parts from Germany? Like this, what do they call this bridge? It's not a Nashville, it's the other one. See, I don't know anything about Gibson. But anyway, this is not the Nashville one. This is the other one. I believe it's the other one. Because I think the Nashville one, unless this is a replacement, I don't know. It actually, Tune-O-Matic. Actually, I think that is a Nashville one because this is exactly what I was talking about. The Nashville is like this, and the Tune-O-Matic goes right into the body of the guitar, if I remember correctly. So maybe this bridge, maybe this saddle was replaced at one point. It could be, because it's, you know, it has different tuners on it, but regardless. But I've got a new one, and that is awesome. And then I'll have this guitar completed again. If you want to see me redo this guitar, put it back together, that is. Leave a comment down below. I'll probably make a video of it anyway. But if you want to see that, leave a comment. Say, yeah, I want to see that. I want to see that. I want to see you put that together. So, yeah. Anyway. So thanks for checking out this video. And we'll see you on the next one. But I am going to make a video of this here. This is Sandra's guitar, and I'm gonna set this up and do what I can do with it because it's got some problems, and so she has something to practice on too besides her acoustic. So until then, we'll see you on the next one. And I got another What's in the Case coming up too. And that one is going to be cool. Special What's in the Case because this is one came to my door one day, so another What's in the Case will be coming up. 24, I think. Anyway, thanks for checking out the video on the unpackaging of the package. And if you want to see me put that Les Paul back together, let me know. And stay tuned for Sandra's guitar. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna redo that, so stay tuned for that. And we'll see you later. Bye.